How to replace bad food with food or drink that is safe for people with diabetes. Try now to enforce the following changes. 1. Replace white rice with vegetables. Rice, especially white rice, very quickly raises blood sugar. That if you don't eat rice you won't be full. The solution: replace white rice with cauliflower vegetables. The trick: crush one cauliflower using a blender so that you get a texture that is similar to rice in terms of grains. This can be an alternative to rice without flour. Alternatively, replace white rice with complex carbohydrates that take longer to digest so they don't spike blood sugar, such as brown rice or oats with high-fiber vegetables on a Dia Best Friends dinner plate. 2. Replace flavored yogurt with Greek yogurt. Yogurt that is added with certain flavors is usually high in sugar. Dia Best Friends can replace it with plain yogurt. As an addition to sweetness, to fulfill the desire to eat sweet foods, you can mix fresh fruit and cinnamon. Greek yogurt is lower in carbohydrates and higher in protein than other types of yogurt. This will make Dia Best Friends full faster, but the increase in blood sugar levels is also lower.
3. Replace sweet oatmeal with plain. Maybe Dia Best Friends are tempted to eat processed oatmeal that has been added to the flavor. It turns out, replacing sweet oatmeal with plain is much healthier. Eating plain oatmeal is good for health, and Dia Best Friends can give it a taste with natural ingredients such as natural peanut butter, cinnamon, fresh fruit, or nuts.
4. Replace granola with nuts. Maybe Dia Best Friends often hear that granola is a healthier food choice. However, processed granola usually has added sugar and fat. Better replace it with a variety of nuts which are a better snack choice and help improve heart health. 5. Replace high-sugar drinks with water. If Dia Best Friends are used to drinking juice or soda, then the desire to consume them can be overcome by drinking water that is given a certain taste. If Dia Best Friends want to drink something sweet, it can be overcome by mixing pieces of fresh fruit into water. 6. Replace instant noodles with noodles made from vegetables. For a healthy lifestyle, avoid or reduce the consumption of regular noodles that contain wheat flour. Dia Best Friends can choose noodles with zucchini or pumpkin-based ingredients. Some women also admit that vegetable-based pasta is good for people who want to have a hard time eating vegetables. 7. Replace ice cream with bananas. Bananas can be an alternative to ice cream if Dia Best Friends mashes and freezes the fruit. Banana butter on whole grain bread is also a good alternative to reduce carbohydrate intake. The 7 things above can be done as a healthier substitute for food and drink. However, for more details, Dia Best Friends consult a doctor first. Yes. Preferably, Dia Best Friends are accompanied by the closest people in choosing food and drinks according to the doctor's recommendation. Yes. So, the closest person can provide psychological assistance for Dia Best Friends.